Welcome back after our short advert break. Let us quickly wrap up today's lesson. So today we've looked at investments as well as loans. We've indicated that in investments, what is important. First up, we had what we call a stokvel, right? Where we indicated that it is clubs or societies serving as rotating credit unions. Okay? Here we said that members contribute fixed sums of money to a central fund weekly, fortnightly, or on a monthly basis. Then, what happens then is that each month a different member receives the money in the fund, which was collected during that period of time. Okay, we also looked at funeral plans, and we said a monthly contribution is made into a fund covering members of a family or extended family. Then what happens then is that after the death of a member, a certain amount is paid out in one lump sum. Okay, so that's with regards to our investments. Then when we look at loans, we indicated that a person or business that takes out a loan is called a borrower, right? And then opposite of that, we said a person or bank giving a loan to somebody is a lender. We also looked at the real or total cost of a loan, and we indicated it's the amount of money borrowed plus all the interest that has to be paid. Then the loan term or the life of the loan is the length of time from when the loan agreement is made up to when the last payment is made. Thereafter we said that regular payments are called installments. Also important is that when the last installment is paid, right, the loan is now written off or amortizes. Okay, now here are some of the common errors that I would like you to stay away from, right, or to be mindful about. So the first one I said, always ensure that you know your definitions and terminologies. As you've seen in today's lesson, we had a lot of definitions, right, and it's important to know when to apply what definition. Then when working with money, please round off to 2 decimal places, okay? In other cases, you round off according to the context or the instruction, as you've seen now, where I've indicated rounded off to 1 decimal place. And remember, rounding off is an independent mark. So what does it mean? It's a standalone mark. Even if your sum is incorrect, but you rounded off correctly, right, you will get that mark. So please make sure you do that basic thing right. Then ensure that you read all the information and understand exactly what the question is all about, especially the fine print, right? You've seen some of our calculations. Now, it was based on the fine print, okay? And the same will apply one day when you buy your own, whether it's furniture or whatever you're going to buy. Fine print is always important. Make sure that you read them. Then, convert each or your years to months by multiplying the number of years by 12, that we've noted as well. Ensure that you copy correctly from your calculator. Especially when we do compound interest, you've seen a lot of calculations that builds up on each other. Make sure you copy correctly from your calculator. Then lastly, verify and conclude based on your calculation. Okay, guys, now let's quickly look at what I have in store for you for the upcoming week. Right, so I said here, Kobus decided to invest 800 Rand monthly in a money market account. The interest rate is 9% per year, compounded monthly. The projected expected value of the investment is 21,107 Rand and 91 cents after 24 months. However, after 1 year, the interest rate drops to 8.1% per year, compounded monthly. The table shows the value of the investment in Rand at the end of some of the months, right? As we can see, month 1, 2, 3, 21, and 22. Okay? So I indicated here, and this is your homework for the upcoming week. Use the information above to calculate the missing value A. Show all your calculations. Please apply what we've learned today, all right? And make sure that you tackle this challenge. Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope to see you next time. Please stay safe and work every day. Until next time, goodbye.